Hello and welcome to Lesson Seller. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a local user account in Windows 11. Now, this method will obviously work with all versions of Windows 11, especially if you've got Windows 11 Home. At the beginning of setting up your computer for the very first time, it only lets you create an online account using your Microsoft account. So if you're not really a fan of logging with your Microsoft account to your Windows 11 home computer, this video will be especially helpful for you guys. Without further ado, let's go ahead and see how it's done. Log into your computer as per usual and click on the start icon. Type this command netplviz, and you will see this option here. Click on it and it will open up this window which will list all the user accounts in your computer. So you have to click add to add a new user account, and in here Microsoft will push you to create another user account using a Microsoft account, but we don't want that. We want to create an old school local user account. So click this option, sign in without a Microsoft account, and in here select local account and just give it a username and a password. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type a random username and give it a password. Give it a password again, and just going to give it a hint. So once you fill out this information, click next, and that's it. To finish the process, click the finish button and you will see your new user account that's been created. Now, it's important to understand that when you create a new user account, by default, it is a member of only the users group. Now, if you want to add this, the new user account to the local administrator group in your local machine, you will need to do this via running a command in your command prompt, so that the new user account becomes a member of the local administrators group. So I'll show you how to do that as well. The benefit of doing this is when you log in as your new local user account, you will have admin privileges to run programs, remove things from your computer, and so forth. So it is important that you do this last step to make sure that the new user account is part of the local administrators group. So I'm just going to click OK and open up command prompt. Just type cmd. I need to run this as administrator because we're performing an administrator task here. So in order to see who's currently in your local administrators group, you can type this command, net local group administrators, and it will list who is currently listed in your local administrators group. So I'm going to type this command now to add the new user account tester1 to the local administrator group. So net local group administrators add tester1. Alright, so now that command has been completed successfully, let's run the first command again to see who are the members of the local administrator group now. Wonderful. As you can see, tester1 is now included in the local administrators group. So you can pretty much do anything on your local machine using this new local account that we've created, in this case, which is tester1 account. I hope this video helped you in some way. If it did, please give it a thumbs up. If you've got any questions about this process, you can put a comment below and I'll answer to the best of my ability. If you're not a subscriber yet to my channel, please consider subscribing. That helps me a lot. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.